About 2 months ago, if you guys have been watching the vlogs, I accidentally sent my 350Z drift car into the wall at Irwindale. Not only was it really embarrassing because it happened in front of a bunch of Pro 1 drivers who I all look up to, but I also really messed up my car. The car has been gone for about 2 months getting fixed up at Rad Industries. As you guys know, I've really been getting into drifting a lot more lately ever since my 370Z, which is my practice car. The Pro-Am season is about to resume again now that coronavirus is starting to slow down, and Valvoline reached out to me and said, hey, we'd like to be your title sponsor for your season coming up with Pro-Am. So they sponsored a whole new livery for my car. So not only is it rebuilt, but there's a brand new livery with Valvoline being the main title sponsor and all my other sponsors and companies on top of the car. We just drove about an hour and a half north up to Corona, and we're gonna pick it up and see it for the first time. I've seen the mock-ups online, but I have seen 0 pictures of what it's gonna look like in real life, and they've added a whole bunch of extra features that I haven't seen in the original mock-ups. So needless to say, I'm really excited, and we finally get to see the new look for the car for the 2021 season. Normally, I'm driving tandems with him, but today, Sean is letting me see the beauty. So this is your Pro car, right? I call mine a Pro car, even though we're not in Pro, but I call them Pro cars as they're our comp cars.
Well, they're Pro level builds.
They're Pro level builds, but they're not like, we ain't there yet.
No, we're trying to get there.
Yeah, you're in first place right now.
Yeah, but there's only been 1 round.
But still, you're in first place right now.
Yeah.
That's one thing too that the vlog hasn't seen too much because we've been doing so much 370 stuff, but like years ago, I did Pro-Am in a different league, but this year, we're gonna be driving in Pro-Am, which is gonna be called Drift League. Round 1 happened pre-Corona. Sean got first place in this car, and apparently round 2, which is why we have the car with the new livery, is going to be in November, they said, but like no one's like really for sure because of like COVID and all that fun stuff.
It's kind of up to like whenever the drivers are like ready to come.
So when Valvoline reached out to me and they said that they wanted to do a livery on the car for next season, the first person I hit up was Sean. I'm gonna put his info in the description. If you guys want any liveries or any stuff done, Sean can do all that stuff for you. He actually designed my whole entire livery. He made a few different mock-ups, we got him approved, and he also designed this one too, which is his Pro car. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to see it. I'm a little nervous.
All right, let's
Does it look good?
It looks cool.
I feel like being biased. Like
no, I like it.
Like you designed it, so I guess
I think it's cool. I think it's really cool, and I think that you're gonna dig it because it has your style, but it has like the Valvoline factory, you know, the stuff that they would want incorporated into something that represents them.
Okay.
You know,
I'm nervous. Am I gonna see it right away? How deep is it? Okay, all right. You didn't say anything. I got a little nervous.
Okay.
Oh, wait, this isn't the place where you guys were driving and you hit the wall on the inside? Oh, sorry, I got a peek of it. I'm not looking. Yeah, I'm not looking. I can. Oh! I didn't know the company like sponsors were different too. Oh! Okay, I'm looking at it. Damn! Oh! Dude, that looks so good.
we're really proud.
Oh, dude, the whole black on the top is.
That's why I said it makes the wing like look like it's in its place now. Before it kind of looked like a sore thumb, and now it like really fits the race car vibe.
Oh my God, that looks so cool. I haven't seen it too since it hasn't been crashed either. Damn. Okay. All right. I'll let you guys see it now. 2021 livery is by far my favorite style I have ever seen. One of the things that Sean kind of put together when he was designing liveries is he kind of had this like tiger stripe theme. It sounds kind of funny, but one of the main things I loved about it was that it reminded me of the red tiger camo from Call of Duty. I grew up loving the red tiger camo. For those who grew up playing that game, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. But I just think with the Valvoline logoing and the Valvoline colors going through the middle of the car, it kind of ties in together because it kind of breaks up the red a little bit. As you guys know, Valvoline is a huge partner of the channel. I run Valvoline Valvoline in all of my cars, and there's no other oil company that I'd rather be partnered with than them. So having them being the primary sponsor of this car means a lot to me, and I know it will mean a lot to you guys, because I've been seeing a lot of you guys transfer over to the Valvoline oils and products, which is the best move you could possibly make. One of my favorite style touches that we've also added to this is we made the rear hatch be gloss black. Kind of ties it in together when you see the top of the roof go into the gloss black, and it kind of fades in together, and also the wing has been wrapped gloss black as well. It also makes the rear mount radiator setup look a lot more mean in my opinion, because it just all kind of flows together and hides it, and it really makes the red pop around the car a lot more. One thing you'll notice too is the front bumper and the fenders that have also been repainted are a little bit darker because the rest of the paint has been a little bit faded, but the livery kind of covers that really, really well. As I've been driving home, I've been thinking about how absolutely crazy it is to me that a company like Valvoline, who I've been using for years, is my title sponsor for the 350. I think many of us use driving as a time for reflection, and that's definitely what this hour drive home has been for me. I hope a lot of you are able to make the connection that if you see me pulling stuff off like this, any of you guys can achieve whatever it is that you want to do. All you have to do is dedicate your time and be absolutely passionate about it. And anything you want to accomplish is doable. Every time I see that Valvoline logo on that car, it's gonna remind me and inspire me, hopefully, to do better laps when we're competing and actually win this year. But nonetheless, I wanted to share that because I really hope some of you guys can make that connection and see that, because to me, it is absolutely crazy that those sponsors are on my car. Backwards. Okay. We'll go. I'm gonna have you go to the right a little bit.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Calvin's not here, so I got a better upgrade. I got Benedict.
Yep. Hi, guys.
Okay, alright. Okay, now turn around.
Oh, okay. Call of Duty. Dude, this is
Isn't it Call of Duty?
First of all, Call of Duty. Second of all, I can already see it. ProAm, TJ Hunt coming down. About to hit the...
Are you gonna say about to hit the wall? Again? I just get the car back and you bring it back from Nightmare?
Oh, man.
Isn't it awesome?
Valvoline, thank you. Thank you for sponsoring, baby.
Oh, well, I didn't know you were that official, dude.
Oh,
dang.
Let's see if this car still works.
Alright, you guys, we just got back from TJ's parents' house. We went over there. We haven't seen him. Well, I haven't seen them since my surgery. So we went over there for a quick little dinner, hangout session. Just got back. TJ is letting the dogs out right now because he's Boyfriend of the Year award. I thought he was just gonna let them out really quickly out our garage, and I was gonna pour some water on him and try to film it. But then he went out in opposite direction. So I can't do that for you guys. I just wanted to hop on and say really quick, because TJ was sending me pictures of the Valvoline livery and just everything on the 350. It came out so good. It looks so cool. These brands and these companies that TJ's been using for years and now loves their products, swears by them. Even Valvoline supported me and made me these little bracelets of all my little positivity things that I wrote on my mirror. Like, they're just such an awesome brand, and it's really awesome to see TJ, somebody I love, like put in such hard work to where these companies are now he's back, are sponsoring him. It's just really cool. The support that you guys show, the support that they show, just all the support in general for me and for TJ and for just life. It's just really awesome, and we're really, really blessed. So we're gonna go hang out with our neighbors and have a couple beers. Peace out and keep moving forward. You guys know when Sabrina ends the vlogs, we add the little extra to the keep moving forward. And then we remind you guys that no matter what you're going through right now, you got this. You'll get through it.